Welcome to the Monday closing report for April 6, 2026. This is Vector News 24. It is 4:10 p.m. in New York, and the closing bell has just rung on a massive relief rally. After a morning of high-stakes brinkmanship, the market surged into the close as reports solidified that both Washington and Tehran have received a formal framework for a 45-day ceasefire. The S&P 500 finished the day at 6,610, up 0.41%, while the Nasdaq outperformed with a 0.7% jump. The Stone Age dread that haunted the Easter break has been replaced by a wave of frantic buying, as the Tehran Tollbooth deadlock finally shows signs of breaking. The energy markets, which have been the primary engine of global fear, saw a significant intraday pivot. Brent crude cooled slightly from its morning highs to settle near $111.60 as the ceasefire proposal reached the desks of key decision-makers. This retreat in oil prices provided the oxygen needed for a broad-based tech recovery. Micron technology led the charge, surging over 4%, while Nvidia recovered from early losses to finish nearly flat. Investors are rotating out of the fear trade, with gold stabilizing at $4,694, and back into growth assets as the threat of an immediate military escalation in the Persian Gulf recedes. While the closing numbers are green, the atmosphere on the floor remains electric. All eyes are now on the 1 a.m. GMT deadline set for Tuesday. The market is pricing in a successful diplomatic handoff, but the finish-the-job rhetoric from the White House still looms large if the ceasefire isn't formally ratified tonight. We are seeing record-breaking volume across ICE energy and commodity contracts, suggesting that institutional players are still heavily hedged. As the New York session ends, the baton passes to Tokyo, where the Nikkei is expected to gap higher on this news. Stay with Vector News 24 for a special overnight report on the Stone Age deadline.